Namo Vaha. Atharva Veda is generally looked down upon as it is usually associated with black magic. Though I do not deny the fact that there are such mantras in the Atharva Veda, we need to look at the purpose of such mantras. Moreover, Atharva Veda is not just that. There is also a wealth of information in this Veda. There are so many medicinal herbs prescribed for a variety of diseases. There is a wealth of knowledge in this Veda with respect to medical sciences. In fact, the other name of Atharva Veda is Bhaishajya Veda. Bheshajam means medicine. So it contains the knowledge of medicine. The Atharva Veda was given lot of importance. It was said that only the kingdom which had an Atharvan priest would prosper without any difficulties, because only an Atharva Veda priest knows Shantika and Paushtika karmas. I will tell about them later in this video. And some even say that since the other name of the Vedas is Trayi, there were only 3 Vedas, Rig, Yajur and Sama, and Atharva Veda was a later addition. But we must understand that the word Trayi does not mean 3 Vedas, but refers to the 3 types of mantras in the Vedas, which are Rigs, the mantras of Rig Veda, which are in the metrical form. They are called Rigs. And Yajus, the mantra of Yajur Veda, which is mostly the prose format. And Samans, the mantras with the 7 swaras in the musical form. In Atharva Veda, all these 3 types of mantras are there. That is why it is not included in the Trayi. In fact, we find references to Atharva Veda in the Vedas itself. For example, in the Brihadaranyaka, which is a part of the Yajur Veda, there is a statement like this: Asya mahato bhutasya nishvasitametad Rigvedo Yajurvedaha Samavedo Atharvangi Rasaha. It says the Parabrahman's exhalation are these Rigveda, Yajurveda and Atharva Veda. So Atharva Veda is not some later addition. It has the same status as that of the other 3 Vedas. When Rishi Vedavyasa divided the Vedas into 4, he gave Rig Veda to Rishi Paila, Yajur Veda to Rishi Vaishampayana, Sama Veda to Rishi Jaimini and Atharva Veda to Rishi Sumantu. There were 9 schools or shakas of Atharva Veda. It is said like this: Navadha Atharvanam. But unfortunately, only one is in practice now. This shaka is Shaunaka Shaka. In the Yajna, the role of the Atharva Veda priest is very important. The Atharva Veda priest is called Brahma. He is supposed to know not just the Atharva Veda but also the other 3 Vedas. During the Yajna, if some mistakes happen, he should be able to recognize them and perform appropriate Shantis to nullify the mistakes. This is called Shantika Karma. And he is also supposed to protect the yajna from all negative forces. This is called Paushtika Karma. Before going into the most interesting part, the content of the Atharva Veda, I request all of you to subscribe to Tattvam if you have not yet. Also, please click the bell icon so that you will be notified when I add new videos. Now let us look into the content of the Atharva Veda. Based on the subjects of the Suktas, the Atharva Veda Suktas can be grouped into 10 categories. We will quickly look at each category. First is Bhaishajyani. The Suktas concerned with treatment of diseases come under this category. It includes incantations, meaning magical spells, as well as prescriptions. It was believed that diseases are of 2 types. one caused by food and other caused by past karma. The disease caused by food can be treated with medicines, but those arising out of past karma were treated through atharvana procedures. The Atharva Veda, in Atharva Veda, there is a mention of large number of diseases like Takman, meaning fever, Balasa means tuberculosis, Kasa means cough, Asrava meaning diarrhea, Kamkusha meaning pain in integral parts of the ears. The list goes on. It not just contains names of diseases but also gives the description of symptoms, medicines and incantations for these diseases. There is a huge list of herbs in the Atharva Veda like Shami, Palasha, Asakti, Kanva, Madhu, Madhula, Pippali, Darbha, etc. In the first kanda, the 11th sukta is called Sukha Prasuti Sukta. This is a sukta for easy delivery of the baby. The 5th kanda has suktas which give description of various krimis, germs. Krimi means germ. Germs that enter into the nose, ears and teeth. There is also a description of various medicines to treat poison. There was also the practice of tying talisman with herbs sanctified by mantras. There are some descriptions of surgeries also. Now let us move to the next group of suktas. They are the Ayushyani. These contain prayers for attaining long life. These mantras are used for wishing long life on special occasions like Chaula, Upanayanam and such. Third is the Paushtikani group. Through these mantras, the cowherd, the farmer or the merchant aspires to attain greater benefits and wealth in his profession. This group has prayers and blessings for various things like building a house, tilling the land, sowing the seeds, getting more yield, destroying the worms causing various diseases to crops, profit in business, auspiciousness in travel, getting timely rain and so much more. The Parjanya Sukta in the 4th kanda is meant for bringing in good quantity and quality of rains. The next group of mantras is Abhicharikani. This group contains mantras seeking protection from various negative forces. There are also mantras intended to destroy those who come in the way of one's happiness. Like for example, there are mantras to destroy the enemy king who is intending to attack the kingdom. There are mantras for eradicating evil spirits. The next group is the Prayashchittani. These are mantras intended to nullify the blunders caused during performance of religious rites. The next group is the Stri Karmani. It includes suktas to get married to the man or woman that one wishes to. There are also mantras praying for the birth of a child and its protection. There are mantras to pacify the anger of a husband also. Next group is the Raja Karmani. It includes mantras related to the coronation of the king, destruction of enemies, election of the king, his influence in the country and other activities of the king. There is an interesting sukta called Dundubhi Sukta. Dundubhi means the huge drums that are played during the wars. Mantras are recited before playing it. One mantra from the Dundubhi Sukta goes like this. It says, like how birds are afraid of the eagle. Shena refers to eagle. Like how other animals are filled with fear day and night on hearing the lion's roar. O battle drum, frighten our enemies with your sound. Let their minds become stunned. Another extremely beautiful sukta in this category is the Prithvi Suktam, also known as Bhumi Suktam. It depicts devotion towards the motherland. It's a patriotic song. We find words like Rashtra, meaning nation, in this suktam. Next group is the Papa Nirhanani groups. This contains suktas for eradication of sins, like if the yajna is not done properly, sins occur. Also, if the younger brother marries before the elder one, then sin occurs to the younger brother. These mantras help in eradicating such sins. Next group is the Brahmanyani. These suktas are philosophical and they speak about the Parabrahman. In Atharva Veda, the Parabrahman or the Paramatman is called by various names like Kala, Purusha, Rohita, Skambha and Vratya. The last category of suktas called Saumanasyani. These are mantras, these have mantras for ending quarrels and misunderstandings and establishing peace in the house. There are suktas wishing for mutual understanding in the family, good thoughts and friendly feelings. There are also mantras for pacifying the anger of the king or the head of the society. I will end this video with this sukta which wishes for harmony among family members. This is the mantra. I'll just tell the meaning. It says, I shall make you of one heart, of one mind and free from hatred. Let one love the other like the cow loves the newborn calf. May the son be obedient to the father. May he be free from misunderstanding with his mother. Let the wife speak honeyed and peace-inspiring words to her husband. Let the brother not hate his brothers. Let the sister not hate her sisters. Let them speak auspicious words only, remaining in good relation and devoted to common aim. If you like this video, then please click on the like button below. Also do share your thoughts in the comments and please share this with as many people as you can. Let us all have at least an overview of our roots, the Vedas. Agrima video madhye punarmilami. Namaste.